Hi, Jim Carson here from Blackstock Ford, Orangeville, Ontario. And today, as a follow-up on our Mustang order guide video, I'm going to have Riley Murphy, performance specialist and our sales guy here at Blackstock, go over the different appearance packages that are available for the 2024 Mustang, particularly on the GTs. As we have them here, I'm going to show you some great things. Stay tuned. You're going to like what you see.
The first new package I want to show you guys is the new Nite Pony package on this Grabber blue car here. Starting at the top, we've got a black painted roof. We've got the black blade deck lid spoiler at the back. These really cool new tinted headlights. We've got black wheels, the black 5.0 badge on the side, of course, black pony at the front, and black GT at the rear. The next package I want to show you guys is the bronze appearance package on this Rapid Red car. So what that's going to get you is bronze wheels. This particular wheel is because the car is a performance pack as well. Bronze badging, so that gets you the bronze 5.0 on the side, bronze GT on the back, and bronze horse up front. The next car I want to show you here doesn't have an appearance package on it, but has a couple of new features that I want to show you. The first one, Brembos can now be painted to a couple of different colors, regardless of whether you have the performance package or not, which is really neat. The next thing, inside this car, you can see you can now option colored seat belts as well. Quick little side note here, on the S550 cars, if you wanted to add a spoiler or delete your spoiler, you either had to drill holes in the deck lid or had to figure out how to fill the holes in the deck lid that you ended up with when you took the spoiler off. Something really neat on the S650 cars, this section of the rear deck lid is actually its own panel. So you can get a separate piece. If you want to delete the spoiler, you just pop this whole piece off, pop a new piece on, no holes, no filling, nice and easy. While we're talking about appearances, the appearance of the exhaust system changes depending on your active valve exhaust option for this year. This is what your standard exhaust is going to look like, or if you option active valve exhaust, it's going to look a little bit more like this. So I hope that helped clarify some of the new packages on the 2024 Mustangs. If you have any other questions about the cars or would like to come check some out in person, come check us out on Highway 9 in Orangeville or at blackstockford.com. Thanks for watching.